So, hope you all are fine, dear students, and you are practicing well with the admission of the partner. Having completed admission of the partner, today we'll learn about retirement of a partner. Very simple retirement of a partner. What do you mean by retirement? Nothing but when one person, that is one partner, he wants to leave the firm. There may be various reasons, like he may not be well, or there may be misunderstanding between the partners, or he may be going to some other place. So many reasons are there where he is going to leave the firm. That leaving of the firm, we call it as retirement. So, whenever a partner retires, when he came, he brought capital. So, when he's going, we have to do the settlement with his account. Again, what happens? There will be change in composition of partners. In admission, number of partners increased, but in retirement, the number of partners will decrease. So, same process again, the books are to be reconstituted. So, how we are going to reconstitute the books? Same assets, liabilities, accumulated profits, losses, everything will be same, dear. Same process will follow, but when we are going to balance the partner's account, first we'll balance the account of the partner who is retiring. And whatever amount is due to him, that will transfer to loan. Sometimes immediately we may pay the amount, but generally immediately will not pay the amount. Whatever due is there will transfer to loan account and will show it as a liability. And here, goodwill, keep in mind, here goodwill is always valued. There is no goodwill brought in cash. So, I am going to teach you one simple problem of retirement that alone if you practice, same are the other problems in the textbook. So, I am taking from page number 302, question number 6 to teach you how to do the retirement. So, if you look at the retirement, they say Kamala, Vimla and Amla are partners sharing profit and losses in 5:3:2 ratio. And their balance sheet is given. If you focus on the balance sheet, creditors are given, bank overdraft is given, reserve is given, and capital accounts are given. Now, in the similar manner, assets, if you see, cash, debtors, stock, furniture, machinery, and one important item they gave, profit and loss account. This is nothing but it is accumulated loss here. Whenever they give profit and loss on the asset side, it is an accumulated loss. So we prepared that account also. Then on the above date, Vimla retired. Who? Vimla. That is partner number 3 wants to retire. So what they did? Appreciate the machine they did. Bad debts they did. Stock depreciate they told. Goodwill valued they told. Same adjustments what we saw in admission. And last what they said, amount payable to Vimla shall be transferred to loan. Even if they are not telling, will transfer to loan only. So you can see what are the accounts have done. Reserve account, profit and loss account. This is accumulated loss. Cash account, of course not needed, but let it be. Then goodwill account, revaluation, partners capital, and the balance sheet. And the rest of the page as it is we are going to use for workings. Okay. So let us start with the posting. So first they said that profit ratio. So we'll write in the working Kamala is to Amala is to Vimla. 5:3:2 we wrote for our understanding. Now, we'll start posting from asset side. What is asset number 1 given? Cash. So, I'll go to cash account. To balance brought down. How much is the cash balance they gave me? They gave me 20,000. So I wrote cash 20,000. Then debtors. Debtors is an asset having adjustment. So debtors will fill in inner column amount 60,000. Followed by stock, leaving some gap. Stock 52,000. Inner column because there is an adjustment. Then furniture. Furniture is an asset without any adjustment. So I wrote directly in amount column 25,000. Followed by machinery. Machinery is an asset having adjustment. So inner column 20,000. Very important item, profit and loss. I told you it's an accumulated profit. Okay. So if you have doubt, again you can refer the topic of accumulated profit which we discussed in admission of a partner. So profit and loss account, debit side. To balance brought down 5,000. 5,000 we wrote. Then comes the next part of the problem, posting the liabilities. What is the first liability given? Creditor. It's a creditor. So any adjustment about creditor? No. So as it is, we'll write trade creditors. Amount is 26,000. Then bank overdraft. You know, it's a liability. Bank overdraft 24,000. Then general reserve. Accumulated profit. So by balance brought down 12,000. Then capitals. So capital account, credit side, by balance brought down. Kamala 50,000. Amala 40,000. Vimla 30,000. She is going to retire. We'll keep in mind. So postings are done. You can see the postings. General reserve, by balance brought down. Profit and loss, it's accumulated profit loss. So I brought on the debit side. Then cash, debit side. Partners capital, credit side. And all other assets and liabilities are posted to their respective position. Now we'll start the scheme of retiring. Who is retiring? Vimala. So she is going to retire. So what were the adjustments we are going to make? They said appreciate machine by 20%. So machinery is 20,000. 20% it's not 10%. Better calculate. So APP, appreciation on machinery. How much is machine value? It is 20,000 into 20 by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. So 4,000 is appreciation. Generally 10% will assume. No, it's 20 given 20. So add appreciation 4,000. If you add 4,000, machine stands at 24. The second effect, revaluation, credit side. By machinery. By machinery, amount is 4,000. Then, second adjustment, provide for bad debts 5% they told. So, we'll calculate bad debts. We know bad debts are calculated on debtors. What are debtors? 60,000. 5%. 0, 0 cancelled. So 6 5s are 30. 3,000 debtors. That is bad debts. So revaluation again to bad debts. 3,000. Subtract from debtors minus bad debts. How much, sir? 3,000. So 60 minus 3, 57,000 are my debtors. Then stock is depreciated by 6,000. By 6,000 they told. Means depreciation is 6,000 on stock. Already I taught you the word. We'll write written off. Depreciation is nothing but written off only. How much is written off? 6,000. So 46,000 stock value. Again, revaluation to stock 6,000. Then goodwill of the firm is valued at 20,000. They told goodwill is valued. So as it is again, we'll do goodwill. Goodwill valued. How much they told? 20,000. I am finding out the value of 20,000. How much I'll divide? 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So I'll divide by 10. So 10, 2s are 20. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2,000 is the quotient. Now I'll find the value for Kamala. 2,000 into 5, 10,000. Then Amala, 2,000 into 3, 6,000. Then Vimala, 2,000 into 2, 4,000. You can check 10 plus 6, 16 plus 4, 20. Goodwill is valued here. What is entry for goodwill valued? Goodwill account debit to all partners. All partners. So we'll go to goodwill account to Kamala Capital. How much Kamala got the share? 10,000. To Amala Capital. Amala got share of 6,000 and your retiring partner Vimala got share of 4,000. Just we are debiting. It's valued. So, partners capital by goodwill. How much? 10,000, 6,000, 4,000. Then they told transfer the amount to loan. Immediately don't transfer. First we have to close the account because we have to give a reserve profit. Then what's up? Revaluation profit, everything. First we'll close. Then we'll close whose account? Vimla's account. So general reserve. First general reserve will distribute. General reserve 12,000. So 12,000 divided by 10. So 10 12s are 10 12s are 120. 1 2. 1200 we are getting quotient. Again we'll find Kamala 1200 into 5. 6,000. Vimala 12,000 into 3. 3,600. Amala 1200 into 2. 2,400. We got the profit. That is reserve account. So to Kamala, to Amala Capital, to Vimla Capital. Let us see. How much is the amount? 6,000, 3,600, 2,400. Closed. 12,000. So again here by general reserve. GR I wrote. Space is not there. So I wrote GR. 6,000, 3,600, 2,400. So general reserve. Then profit and loss. This is an accumulated loss. Profit and loss, how much they gave? 5,000. Again I'll do 5,000 divided by 10. 10 5s are 50. 1 2. 500 is the quotient. Again Kamala 500 into 5. Then second Vimala 500 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 1500. Then Amala 500 into 2,000. Right? Now, it is an accumulated profit, loss. Accumulated loss is to be debited to partners. So, here, by Kamala Capital, then Amala capital, then Vimala capital, 2,500, 1,500, 1,000. So debit side. To profit and loss. This is important here. This is very important. 2,500, 1,500, 1,000. Accumulated losses are debited. So partners account to profit and loss debited, right? So this also got balanced. So I'll close it with 5,000 both the sides. Then cash. Nothing is to be done with the cash. So as it is, simply balance and post it to your asset. Even if you are not preparing, doesn't matter. But sometimes they'll give the information of payment. So better we'll follow the rule. So bring down to balance brought down 20,000. So cash. We are not paying any amount to the retiring partner now. So cash out. Then goodwill. Goodwill is valued. I told you when it is valued, the balance will go to balance sheet. So by balance carried down, goodwill was 20,000. So close with 20,000. Now this goodwill I'll transfer as asset. Goodwill is valued 20,000. Right? Now revaluation account. If you see revaluation account, how much is revaluation account? Credit is 4,000 and here 9,000. We have credit, how much? 4,000. Is it correct? 4,000? Let us check. So, here they gave us revaluation. We'll check the entries. Appreciate machine by 20%. So 20% if you see, 20,000 into 20%, 4,000. So 4,000 we wrote here. Then bad debts, 5%. How much are debtors? 60,000. 60,000 into 5%, 3,000. And they told stock is depreciated by 6,000. So debit, credit. If you see, in the textbook, they gave you the different answer. They told revaluation profit is nil. It's not nil here. So, debit is 9,000. Credit is 4,000. Okay. So, here debit is more. Credit is less. So, we'll get loss. So, we'll do the working. Revaluation. Debit. 3,000 and 6,000. 9,000. Then credit 4,000. What is more? Debit is more. 9,000 minus credit 4,000. So we got 5,000 as loss. So this again 5,000 will distribute between whom? Between the partners. So again 5,000 already we know 2,500, 1,500 will get. So here I'll write by Kamala capital, then by Amala capital, then by Vimala capital. We know 500, 5,000 which we divide. We got 2,500, 1,500 and 1,000. So revaluation is closed with 9,000. Now debit to revaluation 2,500, 1,500, 1,000. Now is the most important aspect of the problem, dear students. Now we are going to balance the partner's account. When we want to balance the partner's account in the scheme of retirement, always try to balance the account of the partner who is retiring. Okay? Whoever is retiring. Now, in this example, that is in this question, Vimala retired. So, first we'll try to balance the account of Vimala. Okay? Now, see how I'm doing the partner's account here. So, I'll write here Vimala Who is she? She is the retiring partner. Now, credit figures will jot down only of Vimla. 30,000, 4,000, 2,400. So 36,400. Now let us see debit. 1,000 rupees, 1,000, 2,000 rupees we have altogether. 1,000 and 1,000, 2,000. Means in her credit we had 36,400 and debit is 2,000. So how much is the amount we have to pay? 36,400 minus debit 2,000. So 34,400. This is called her loan amount. Keep in mind, this is her loan amount. This loan we are going to transfer to the partner, to Vimala. Loan. How much we have to pay Vimala? We have to pay her 34,400. But we are not paying now. We'll pay her later. So she is no more partner. So we'll show her as a other liability. That is Vimala loan. How much, sir? 34,400. Then you can close the remaining partners. Who are the remaining one now? Kamala and Amala. So Kamala, capital. We'll see Kamala's capital. Credit 50,000, then 10,000, 6,000, 66,000. Let us see her debit. 2,500, 2,500. It is 5,000. So credit 66,000 minus 5,000. 61. This is the balance carried down of Kamala. So down. Here we'll put dash. To balance, Kamala is 61. Like that you see 40, 46. 46 plus 3, 49. 49, 600. Who is that? Amla. So Amla. Credit 49, 600. Debit 3,000. Will minus 3,000 debit. 46,600. So 46,600. She is not the partner now. We'll close the account. High total. We'll see 66, 66. Here 49,600, 49,600. And what about here? 36,400, 36,400. Now we'll bring down the balance. Whose balance will bring? Only the remaining partner here. Vimla is not the partner. Kamla and Amla. 61,000, 46,600. Okay. And now we'll post capital. We'll write Kamla capital. How much is Kamla's capital? 61. Then partner Amla. Amla's capital 46,600. Then, you know, we have to do the balance sheet. So, space is not there. So, I'll wipe out this and I'll do the balance sheet total here. Hope you all have understood this working. Now, I'm doing the balance sheet total for you all here. You can just see the balance sheet total. Liabilities, assets. Let us write liabilities. 26,000, 24,000, 34,400, 61,000, 46,600. 0, 0. 6 plus 4, 10, 7, 8, 18, 22, 6, 4, 10, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 4, 19. Liabilities are 1,92,000. Let us see for assets in the similar manner. 57,000, then 46,000, 25,000, then 24,000, then 20,000, 20,000. 0, 0, 0. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 22. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 19. 1,92,000. Don't get confused. If the textbook answer is nil, it is not nil. There is a lost here. So printing mistake is there. You can rectify. 1,92,000. For that reason only I have selected this problem. 1,92,000 balance sheet tally. Like this, we have retirement. Again, I am explaining. As it is, do the postings. As it is, give all the adjustments. And once the adjustments, postings are done, when you come to close partners capital account, always see whoever is retiring, whether if Kamla retires, Kamla's account. Amla is retiring, Amla. Whoever is retiring will write like this in the working notes, like whoever is retiring, I wrote Vimla retiring partner. So that confusion won't be there. Then I did her credit, did her debit. When I did credit, it comes to 36,400. Debit is 2,000. Means we are supposed to pay 36,400. In that we have debited her account 2,000. So we are due 34,400. That 34,400 is loan amount. That is loan in the sense amount due. That we'll pay afterwards. Maybe after 1 month, 2 months, whatever. So we have transferred to loan and we have shown here like to Vimla and we have debited in our account. This we are going to show separately in the balance sheet liability. Okay. Then we'll balance the partners capital account. Remaining partners, continuing partners. Who are continuing? Kamla and Amla. There were 3 partners. Vimla retired. Now remaining are 2 partners. That we posted their capital. Then we did the balance sheet total. We got 1,92,000. Like that, we have retirement of partner. All the problems in textbook, almost they are similar here. We have to practice. Okay. This was the problem number 6, which I have taken from page number 302. Like that, if you see problem number 1, 2, 3, almost everything is similar. So only thing is, sometimes they may tell that some amount is paid. Okay. Say for example, if they say here, out of the amount due, 20,000 we paid to whom? Vimla. As it is, we'll find, we'll get 34,400. What we'll do? We'll minus 20,000. Okay, we are paying cash. So in cash account, we'll write by Vimla 20,000. Then in Vimla, we'll write to cash 20,000. Now balance how much we get? For example, 14,400. That we'll write as loan. That's all. 14,400 we'll write as loan. Vimla loan will take 14,400. Like that, you have the problem of retirement. In this problem, they gave profit and loss account, which was a debit balance, that is accumulated loss. So I drafted. Like this type of problems, if you solve, you will get the confidence. Okay? You will get the confidence and you will be able to do them in a better manner. But only thing is, you have to revise, practice again and again. Don't ignore this chapter, especially admission and retirement. Most of you have to focus mostly on admission, because once you know the admission, automatically you will be able to do retirement here. So hope in these 7 sessions of partnership, whatever I thought you have understood. And I feel that you should practice more and more to get the success. Okay. Having said this, dear, thank you all for cooperating with me. I thank once again all my members who have given me this opportunity for teaching you this beautiful chapter. So thank you one and all. But revise, revise and revise, because practice makes man perfect. Already I told you. Again, I believe in that. Whenever you practice, you will be successful person. So to get the success, practice is the key, what I feel here. So keep on practicing, because YouTube link will be with you. Whenever you feel, just log in on the YouTube, and search. You can pause. You can see how I did the postings. Similarly, you try to follow. I'll tell you, you will succeed. So thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.